Wig applying tutorial. So first we're going to take 4 pin curls. One here, 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 and here. When we take a pin curl, we're going to take a chunk of the hair, wrap it around 2 fingers, wrap, 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 wrap. You can do this if you have short or long hair. Take it off. Now you got a little pin curl right there. See, it's not perfect. You're going to take one bobby pin and put it in. Second bobby pin, put it in. Bobby pin, crisscross. 1, 2, crisscross. Number 4, 1, 2. Then put the rest of your hair back. Then you need to get the rest of your hair out of your face. So I recommend finishing the head with pin curls. But if you have a lot of hair, there's some other cheats. But depending on how your wig fits you, you might have to get it flatter than this. I'm doing a flat bun, but you might have to do braids and wrap them up. Or you can just finish the head with pin curls. If you do that, when you take them all out, you have like amazing curls. So it works if you're like, if you want your hair to look nice after the show. But definitely takes longer. Okay, great. So the hair is pulled back. Now we need to grab our handy dandy hairnet. Oh, not hairnet. I'm sorry, wig cap. Wig cap. So this, take 2 hands, bring it around the backmost part of your hair. Bring it forward over your forehead so we look weird like this. Okay? Then, see how we have those pin curls stopping it? Okay, so definitely make sure it's covering all that hairline and it's secure over those curls. Now you need to make sure you have some hairpins, not bobby pins, hairpins. Hairpins are these open ones. Even if you're like, oh, I got bobby pins and I can just open them up. They're not the same, I promise. Save yourself a lot of time and headache and just use hairpins. Oh, I dropped mine. Okay, hairpins. So you need at least 6. I'm good with 6, but if it still feels loose at all, then you need to throw in an extra one. So I recommend 6. You're going to put the wig on exactly the same way you did with the wig. So you have your 6 hairpins. We're going to put that wig on, open it up, grab the very base of all your hair, and bring it forward. There's these 2 little side pieces. Pull those down so that we don't have any hair out. Okay, we'll worry about our bangs later. Pull it down in the back, but not really a worry just yet because we'll pin that down. We're going to take 6 pins. We're going to go there, there, and there. Okay, so we have our hairpins, and the way we do this is we don't want to just use it like a bobby pin like that. We actually go forward, grab your hair, make sure you have some of the, obviously the part of the netting of the wig, okay? So we're going forward, grab hair, and then we're going to push it back up into that pin curl, and that's what keeps it secure. And you see how you can't even see it? Okay, so we're going to do that with the next 5. And then, okay. We want to make sure we do that in the back because that's what's going to keep the wig down as well. Down, covering your own hair. So we've put our hairpins in. If you find any spaces that you feel insecure, make sure you can just put another pin in, right? Then you can use some bobby pins, style it. I haven't styled this one, but definitely make sure you get those bangs out of your face, and we can throw in a bobby pin or a hairpin there. Hairpins, like I said, will hide easier, but definitely make sure you're not going to end up shaggy like this on the stage. Okay? And now we look like a young Anna. Okay, good luck.